Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines from IG on Thursday the 30th of August. Now, weakness in Europe has been seen this morning. Few are keen to get their hands dirty ahead of the big Jackson Hole speech tomorrow from Ben Bernanke. US volumes some of the lowest of the year. The FTSE and DAX both down 25 points, 57.20 and 69.70 respectively. And the highlight of the morning are likely to be an Italian 10-year auction. Results expected just after 10 a.m. It's the first big auction of long-term debt for Italy since Mario Monti figuratively backed the Eurozone at the end of July. And Newswire also eyeing the fact that Italy has a big month for debt maturing in September, with 29 billion euros coming to an end. Now back in the UK, and stocks news centering on two big names, starting with Barclays. Stock lower by 1.5% this morning. They've announced their new CEO is going to be previously head of retail banking, Anthony Jenkins, perhaps helping them avoid an external hire, keeping someone on the right side of the investment banking fence. Conveniently, this has come out the day after an investigation was announced by the Serious Fraud Office into payments made to Qatar during the effective bailout by the Qataris in 2008. Barclays, remember, one of the banks in the UK who didn't need to take a bailout, helped out by the sovereign wealth fund there. Now, the other major story centres around WPP, the ad giant. Stock lower by a little under 5% today, having released results for the second quarter. Improvement in the UK, but a cautious outlook is weighing on sentiment here. And this stock is one that is a very long-term highs. Highs in March were actually the lowest since the dot-com era, so understandable to perhaps see it weaken today. Now in the US, there was a lot of positive data to tempt investors yesterday, but they did stay away, and indices meandered fractionally to an up day. The Republican convention and Hurricane Isaac still the major stories, and another busy day today at 1:30 with inflation data the pick there. Now, the markets in the US are expected to remain somewhat low volume and quiet ahead of the Labour Day holiday weekend. However, we do see some weakness in futures this morning after declines in the Asian session, and the Dow is expected to open down 50 at 130-160, with the S&P 500 off 6 points at 1404. That's it from me. Do check out the Insight platform for further news and analysis.